Tony, victories don't come much more pleasing than that.
No, I thought our second half performance was fantastic. I think we've been threatening to do that for a while, and when we upped our quality from the first half, it just showed, and we scored goals that we work on quite a lot in training. So really pleased with the second half performance. I thought we did okay first half, but just our final pass or our delivery wasn't quite up to the standard, apart from Jacob's cross for the equaliser. And like I said, once we upped our quality, then it showed in the second half, and the boys took their goals well.
Was the scoreline perhaps a little bit harsh on you?
No, not at all. It's something that we have to take on the chin. We have to accept it. They've come out and they've created chances and taken them. We didn't do well enough, to defend them things, and actually probably contributed to a couple of them as well. So, but no issues for me.
Ben, your biggest league win of the season, how pleasing is that?
Yeah, it's good result. Especially coming from behind. I know obviously we're home and we're probably expected to win, but coming from behind, yeah, good win, and obviously some good goals there. Haven't scored in a little while either, so to get a couple, it was nice.
Yeah, talk us through those goals. The first one, you won't have many easier. The second one, you had to do a bit of work.
Yeah. Obviously, the first one, Greg's knocked down to me. Just make contact when you're that close. And the second one, I don't know, just went on a bit of a run and ended up taking on a few people and putting the empty net.